Alright, here we go. Let's try to get every single one of them. So, there's one. Now what do we want next? The knockback. Or not the knockback. The right pattern, but early bird. So that's what could happen. Okay, next one. Jump over the bird. You can still get it. You just have to wait. Next one. Next one, you get knocked back. You wait here, go, and get up there. Okay, try that again. I'm just gonna wait, go. Okay, those are the three things that commonly happen. If you jump over the bird, you're just gonna hesitate, right? So. Don't kill it. That's what you do. Alright.